Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Pursuit dual console. Got a windy afternoon here in eastern North Carolina. I hope the breeze doesn't mess up the audio. But we're sitting here on a 260 dual console Pursuit with twin 200s. Boat has the optional power assist steering. In the cockpit, I've got two flip-out bench seats, a ton of seating. Take a look at the photos so you can see those out. Got a live well here. You can also plug it and use it for cooler. Companion seat is forward and aft facing. Got some storage underneath. The aft facing portion of it, got some tackle storage and additional storage lockers here. Our storage drawers, cup holders up top. Let's see, got a large head here. Magnetic catch. Over at the helm, got a nice helm seat, flip down armrest, flip down bolster. Boat does have the full canvas enclosure. Also has a bow cover and a cockpit cover. Also has a full mooring cover, similar to that center console over there the owner uses in the winter. Also has an aft sunshade where the poles go in the rod holder. It fastens to the hard top and provides sun protection for that cockpit area. Got digital throttle and shift. Nice Garmin display up here. Got the chart plotter and depth sounder. Yamaha display, JL audio, Lenco trim tabs with auto retract on those. Panels over here, anchor windlass switch, power steering that I mentioned to you earlier, but all your controls are here. Garmin VHF radio. In this compartment, got storage. Owner currently has the bow table in here, as well as the forward sun pads. Those sun pads convert this area into a sun pad, so those cushions convert this area into the sun pad. Storage underneath, flip down armrest, comfortable seating. It's deep up here. Feel comfortable with the family riding up forward while you're running. Storage in deck here. Some rod storage on this side. Boat also has the tow pylon. Owner currently has it stored in his garage, but it is available and going with the boat. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about it, give me a call on my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks.